This is gonna be a long day.
Okay. What's my line?
Oh my gosh. Oh no, our parents are dead.
Oh, our parents died. I'm thinking about what this looks like.
All on sight.
Okay. Be loud, you guys.
Action.
Oh no, our parents are
I'm here to take you home.
That was not loud enough.
Yeah, you need to be like, I'm here to take you home.
I'm here to take you home.
You need to have it echo through the neighborhood. I'm here to take you home. Hear it? Hear it?
Yes,
Home.
kind of.
Hello.
Yeah. You want to film it one more time?
I wish this furnace would die.
Okay.
It's wiggling. Okay. Dawn.
Okay.
Is it
Ew,
stiff?
it's crusty. It's crusty.
Nick. Unamused.
Okay.
So great in my video.
Go from here on. We'll just get rid of the rest.
You
of the stuff.
can't leave. I don't want anyone else to leave.
Anyone else?
Wait, do I call you Blake?
Yeah, I'm Blake.
Yeah, that's her name.
Do I call you Blake?
Yeah,
Yeah, just call me Blake.
No,
But
call
you're
me
a
Sydney.
woman. Should
Blake
not.
is Blake Lively. Look at my.
And
Come back.
I'm gonna walk up.
baby, come back.
So just. I was looking at like, oh, you have a line.
She does. She's like, I'm not.
Say I'm not.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna go back over there. Hello.
You got popular.
Grandpa, I'm so sorry. How could I ever repay you? Your face is so close. I got my inheritance and just blew it all.
Well.
You're done goofed, right?
You're done, dude. That's what.
It's been such a long day.
You're gonna have to go back to work soon. What was that?
Just anticipating. You're done goofed.
That's not for me.
You're done goofed.
I know, I can hear you saying it in my mind.
Chug.
Okay. You know what you're gonna say instead of just going, you're done goofed?
Gabby's our director.
I'm the director.
You're the hero.
Can I be credited?
Yeah.
I'll put credits at the end.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, you can leave.
Gabby. I texted mom.
Okay.
Oh, Gabby.
Let's find my basketball.
I've got face down.